Select the ellipse tool and create a circle. I align the circle in the center. Select the scissors. Cut the circle on both sides. As you can see, I have two half circles now. Select Type on a path. Click on the path and type your text. Select the selection tool. You can use this line in front of the text to move it on the path. Go to Type. Type on a path. Type on a path options. Align to path, center. Adjust the font size and tracking so the text fills half of the circle. Select Type on a path. Type your text on the other side of the circle. Use the selection tool to move the text on the path. Go to Type. Type on a path. Type on a path options. Align to path, center. Select Flip. This time I only adjust the tracking, so both texts are the same size. If you want, you can also change the color of the texts. And that's how you type and flip text in a circle. Check the link in the description for more tutorials.